In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the Beach Buggy Racing 2 mod menu, latest version, fully working on both iOS and Android devices. This method is updated, safe to use, and compatible with the newest version of the game. As you can see on your screen, this Beach Buggy Racing 2 mod menu gives you access to all available hacks, including unlimited diamonds and unlimited coins on iOS and Android. With this mod, you'll be able to progress faster and unlock premium features without spending real money. The mod menu includes powerful options such as free shopping and upgrades, unlimited diamonds and coins, unlock all drivers, unlock all cars, and many additional features that completely transform your gameplay experience. Before we get started, make sure your Beach Buggy Racing 2 game is updated to the latest version. To check this, simply open the App Store or Google Play Store, search for the game, and install any available updates. Once your game is fully updated, you're ready to proceed. Next, scroll down to the pinned comment below this video. There, I explain step-by-step where and how to get Beach Buggy Racing 2++ and activate the mod menu on your device. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.